Imagine transforming into your favorite celebrity with just a few clicks, or swapping faces with your friend for the ultimate prank. What was once a sci-fi dream is now a reality, thanks to deepfake technology. But with so many tools out there, how do you know which one to choose? In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 deepfake tools that are revolutionizing the way we edit videos. Whether you're a creator looking to add some fun to your content, or just curious about how this technology works, stick around because we're about to reveal the best of the best. Let's dive in. Number 1. Akool AI. Akool AI is a premium AI tools hub for content creators. Here, you can face swap, translate video language, generate images, create realistic avatar videos, and much more. After navigating to the Akool AI homepage, create an account. I will put all the links in the description. Once you are logged in, go to the Platform tab and select the Face Swap tool. This is the Akool Face Swap interface. Here you will find 2 options, Face Swap and Go Live. In the Go Live section, you can swap your face with another face in real time and live stream. This unique feature makes it superior to other tools. I will talk about this feature in another video. Now, let's see how the Akool Face Swap works. First of all, we have to upload the target image or video by clicking here. I will upload this video clip. Once the video clip is uploaded, AI will analyze and detect the face. Here, you can see that Akool detects 3 faces. It means from 3 angles. Akool can detect multiple person faces as well. I'll get to that later. Now, we have to upload the source face image. I will upload this image. Once the face is uploaded, simply place it over every detected face. Next, you can use this re-age feature to reduce or increase the aging factor. After that, turn on the Face Enhance feature to get an enhanced result. Once everything is set, hit the high-quality face swap button from here, and our task has begun. You will find the result in the My Library tab. And here is the resulting image. You can see that the face has been swapped seamlessly and the quality is extremely good. This is the before and after version. Now the difference is clear. That's amazing. Now, I will upload another video with multiple faces. Once the video has been uploaded, it detects faces in 4 different angles. I will use the same source face for all the images. Next, set the re-age filter if needed and use Face Enhance mode. Once everything is set, hit the Face Swap button. Now, go to the My Library page. And here is our final video. And you can see the result. It's just amazing. Akool swaps faces perfectly. I love the result. So now you can swap faces from multiple people in a single frame with Akool. Most importantly, it detects every angle on the character's face. That's why I keep it at number 1. In the same way, you can swap faces from any image with Akool. Alright, now let's talk about the next tool. Number 2. Pica AI. Pica AI is an AI image editor tool. It can swap faces from images and videos. You can create headshot images and edit images with various AI features. You will find the face swap option on the homepage. This one is only for single face image face swaps. And if your image has multiple faces, then use this swap multiple faces option. Today, I will talk only about the video face swap or deepfake feature. So, we need to choose this video face swap option. After navigating to this page, we have to upload the target video. This time, I will upload the video with multiple characters used on Akool. After uploading the video, it will analyze the video and detect the faces. And here it is. Pica AI detects 2 faces here. You can notice that this AI can detect up to 5 faces from 1 frame. On the other hand, Akool can detect up to 8 faces from a single frame. Alright, now click on Continue. On the next page, we have to upload and choose the source image face. I am uploading the same face image I used on Akool, and I will use the same face for both faces. Once the face has been uploaded, hit the Generate button. Now we have to wait at least 15 minutes to get the result. So, grab a cup of coffee. I am fast forwarding this part. And here is the result video. You can see that it swaps the face and even changes the eye color and features, but keeps the other facial features, such as wrinkles, shaped the same as in the original video. It did a great job. Just one catch. The video quality is really very low. Alright, now let's move forward to the next tool. Number 3. SwapFans AI. SwapFans AI is a brand new AI tool to replace the face from any video. The best thing? Not only local videos, but you can also swap faces from any video from TikTok or Instagram. Once you are on this page, create an account with your email. On your first login, you will get $2 free credit to create face swap or deepfake videos. This is the SwapFans AI dashboard. Now to create your deepfake video, go to the Generate tab from here. On the bottom of the page, you will find the option called Select Videos to Clone. And there are 3 options. You can enter any TikTok or Instagram video link or upload a local video. I am uploading this video here. This tool doesn't support multiple face videos. Once the video has been uploaded, come to the top of the page. Here you find the Upload HD Selfie of your model option. I will upload the same image. Once the image is uploaded, hit the Generate for Custom Video button from here. You can see how many credits it will consume. Click on the Yes button to start the process. SwapFans started its work. You will get the result video on this Videos tab. Here, one job is pending, and it's done. This is our result video. It generates an amazing video and changes the face seamlessly, but you will notice a huge watermark. To remove the watermark, you have to buy at least $2 worth of credits. Number 4. Facehub. Facehub is an online AI-powered face swap tool. This amazing tool intelligently detects faces in a video and swaps them with another one of your choosing. Fly your creativity with ease and for free. To start creating the video, click on Get Start Now from here. After navigating to this page, you have to create an account or log in to an existing account. I already have a premium account, so I am logging in. Now we have to upload the source image or video and the target face image. Okay, click on the upload button from here and then upload the target video file. I am uploading this video. After uploading the target video, Facehub will analyze the video. Once it is completed, you will notice the face here. 2 faces have been detected. Now we have to upload the source face image. Click on the swap icon from here and then upload the image. Do the same for the second face as well. Once you are done, hit the swap button. It may take some time to swap the face. And here it is. Our video with the new face is ready. You may notice the quality. It has perfectly replaced the source face with the target face. And like Pica AI, it keeps the facial features like wrinkles shaped the same as in the original video, just changing the face. Number 5. Apob AI. Apob AI is basically an AI influencer generator. Here, you can train a virtual model and create content with it. If you want to learn more about it, let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on it. Now, let's see how Apob AI's face swap tools work. Once you are on this page, click on Open App from here. Now create an account. Once you are logged in, you will find some community models. You can use them to generate content. Okay, now to create a face swap video, we need to create a model with a source face image. Click on the Create Portrait Model from here. Now you have to upload your source face image here. You can even create a new model image. Okay, I am uploading the same image. After uploading the image, you have to give a name to your model and a short description. Once you are done, click here to train the model. And here it is. The model is ready. Now you can create images or videos with the model. On the bottom left, you will find the image and video face swap option. I am selecting the video face swap option. Now upload the target video clip. Once the video clip is uploaded, hit the Generate button from here. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The video is ready. It's just mind-blowing. Apob AI did a great job, but you can't create any multi-face deepfake or change the source face image. For that, you would have to create another model. That's all of our top 5 face swap tools. You've seen the results, and now you have to decide which one is the best. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the best face swap or deepfake tool. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!